It's so frustrating when you travel and you don't have the right place to plug something in. That's why we were so excited that Hero Travel Supply decided to gift us one of their travel adapters. Let me show it to you. So it has 3 options for output: EU, USA/Australia, and UK. You slide to punch out your appropriate converter, and then you press in and slide it to pop it back in. Then on this side, you can put in any plugs that are necessary, along with multiple plugs on the bottom. So let's test out the US converter. Plug it in. You can plug into USB-Cs to the bottom and a USB cable. As any other country plugs fit in. This is great if you are going on a cruise or in a hotel that might not have that many plugs but might have a European plug available. You can use it to convert to what you need so you have those plugs available.